Did you know we're supposed to be getting 4,700 milligrams of potassium every single day? I bet we're all deficient. I'm going to show you how to make electrolyte drink at home to save money and get the proper nutrients, all right? And not only that, it's a nice, easy recipe for a 1-gallon jug that you can go buy at the store. Let's get to it. So start off by pouring off a little bit of water, okay? We're going to use Redmond's real salt here, and we're going to need 25 grams. And as you can see, my scale sucks. It likes to do this thing where it doesn't weigh and then all of a sudden it weighs, but we'll make it work. Hopefully you have a better scale than I do. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. 25 grams. Let's see. There we go. Okay, next we got some potassium chloride. Now this is from bulksupplements.com. 3 grams. Perfect. All right, now we're going to use magnesium malate. All right, same thing, 3 grams. All right, get out of my spoon. Get in there, in that dish. Yeah. Ooh, boop, boop, boop. I see this thing likes to play games. Oh, God. Let's take a little bit of that out of there. That's the beauty. A little bit of back and forth here. Boop, boop, boop. Good. We're good. Okay, now we can take all of that, dump it together, and give it a little mix. I don't know if you have to do this, but it looks good on camera, doesn't it? Look at me stir. Okay, we're just going to dump it in there. Yep. Just dump it in there. And so we just need to add some lemon, some lime. Here's some options for you. We're also going to add a sweetener because it is extremely salty. We're going to use raw honey, and we're going to do about 6 ounces in this gallon. We're going to do the creek stain squeeze method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is dehydrated or crystallized lime powder, and this is about the 3rd use, so you'll get about 3 gallons out of that bag. Now you can use those little True Lime or True Lemon packets too, but it would take a bunch of them. So I get this off Amazon, and it's pretty tasty. So this is actually the recipe from LMNT's website. So it tastes pretty darn good. Time to shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. You're going to have some settling, so shake it periodically. Shake it all the time. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it. Well, that's it. There you have it. A homemade electrolyte drink that is cheaper than what you can go buy in the store. And it's delicious. Thanks for watching.